Hi everyone, today's lesson is all about how to use a lightning fist. You know, everyone was motivated, everyone who's martial arts, I think Bruce Lee has contributed a lot in the industry of martial arts. So myself, one of my favorite techniques from Bruce Lee was the lightning fist. This fist. Okay, come here. Why the lightning fist? It's good for surprising. Remember in the streets, the surprise attack. Right. For example, right? You surprise something with this. Right? Surprise me with this. Let's follow. Right. We are following this part. Whether it's groin or the bladder. Right. So you come like this. There you go. Soon after this, follow. Then elbow him. But the first thing is all about like this. Right. So it's good. The combination. Okay. Okay. There you go. Like this. Right. So remember, we are teaching one another the streets, how to fight, to defend yourself in the street. So want to surprise someone who's provoking you. Your hands are here. Just leave this here. Soon after this, you go here. Right? After I go here, go. Right? After this, finish him off. Becomes so easy. So in short, just go 1, 2, 3. Then you finish him off with proper movement. Okay? Right? Right, that's our lesson for today. See you into the next lesson.